Hi guys, my name is Ash Solomon. I am the president of WOW Cycles. We're here at CES in Las Vegas showing off our trikes, and I'm here to show you how to do basic operations on the new Conductor Plus, the 2025 version. Thank you for buying the Conductor Plus, and we're going to do a quick overview when you first receive this trike and what you need to look for. I'm sure you got a box that looks like this. That's where the battery is. You want to take the battery out. And inside the bag, there is a key. Make sure you get the key for the battery. Don't throw away the bag until you get your key out. You want to insert the key into the key slot, as you see right here in the battery. And when you turn it, you'll see a pin come out. And if you push it in and turn to the left, the key goes back in. You slide it on the rail that you have here. And then once you see the hole, you got to make sure that the pin goes right inside there. Then you can insert your seat post. You adjust it to the height you want, then you tighten it, and that's how you adjust the first battery. In the event that you bought the 2-battery version, besides this battery, the second battery is actually inside the frame right here. There's also a key for it. You have to insert it in, and the key and the charger for the battery is right underneath. So if you have a trike with 2 ports, then that's your double battery version. Each battery works independent of each other. So if you want to ride them both at the same time, you want to put the key on and turn it to the right. Same thing on the battery here, you want to turn it to the right. If you want to ride with 1 battery at a time, you simply just turn one off, and now you're just riding with 1 battery. And when this one runs low, then you can easily just put in the second key and turn it. Now remember, the keys for these batteries are not the same. This one will not turn. The one in the frame slightly has a bigger head than the one underneath the seat. So let's get to the next step on how to operate the trike. Hey guys, let me show you how to operate the display here. So you have this here, a red button, a little eye looking display. You have a right, a left, a up, and a down. So let's start with the red. The red, if you press it and hold it, the light will come on. And then this is what the screen looks like. If you get a little message on the top right there, it's because right now I have the parking brakes engaged. And simply, if you want to release the parking brakes, you grab both handles and you just squeeze them, and the display will go away. In order to turn the lights on, the front and rear lights, the same red button, you just have to double click it twice, and almost in a quick motion, tick tick, almost at that speed, and your front light will be on. And if you do it again, the front and back lights are off. The little eye here is just simply the horn. This is your right turn signal. So if you hit the right, you'll see a blinking light. So it's also a reminder that your signal is on. To turn it off again, you just press it. Same thing with the left. Turn it on, you'll see the left. Press it, it turns off. If you want your hazard lights, you just basically hold the left turn signal for a second, and you'll see them both go on. And in the rear, you're gonna see both lights flashing. And then to turn off the same way, you just hold it. This is your pedal assist modes, the up and down arrow. And this corresponds with the numbers that you see here. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the down arrow will bring it back down. Basically, your pedal assist is how the motor is gonna assist you at what level. A 1 is gonna be at a minimal level, a 5 is gonna be maximum level, and that also equates to how fast you'll be going. The throttle, this is your throttle right here. This also works with the pedal assist. So at a 1, you're gonna be going as slow as possible. A 5, you'll be throttling really fast. So that's the pedal assist. If you want the trike to go in reverse mode, if you chose to buy the option with reverse mode, this will be enabled. And then if you press this, I'll do a little quick demo. I'm going to be simply pressing the down arrow, and the down arrow should take you straight back. So that explains that. In order for you to lock the brakes, let me show you here. I hope the camera can see it. You squeeze the handle with one hand, squeeze it as tight as you can, and with the other hand, just press in that little button there. Same thing, you squeeze it as hard as you can, and with the other hand, just press it in, and that will lock the brakes, and the brakes are not gonna go anywhere. Hope you enjoy your trike, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Have a great day.